Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You make my life colorful, like a field of flowers. Love is a rose that only grows stronger with time. You are the fragrance that fills my heart. In your love, I found my home and my bloom. Every day with you is a new bloom. In your love, I've found my garden. Love, like flowers, needs to be nurtured. I fell for you like flowers falling for the sun. Our love is a bouquet of dreams. You're the rarest flower in my heart's garden. Love is the bloom that never wilts. You are the petal that makes me whole. My love for you is blooming endlessly. Love is the bloom that never fades. You're the one I want to water every day. Our love is a masterpiece of nature. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. Like flowers, love needs care to flourish. Our love is wild, beautiful, and free. Every moment with you feels like spring. Together, we are a garden of dreams. Love blooms in the most unexpected places. You are my forever flower. In love, we grow together. A love as unique as each petal. You're the sunshine to my flowers. My love for you blossoms with each day. Love is a garden where you plant forever. A heart that loves is always in bloom. Our love is as bright as a wildflower. Where there's love, there's beauty in bloom. You're the petal that makes my heart complete. Love is like a flower. It needs to be cherished. Your love is the garden in my soul.